By the end of today, 48 states will have reopened businesses or loosened stay-at-home orders in some form. Yet none of them have met the federal guidelines of having had 2 weeks of a declining number of cases. At this point, it's hard to know what the impact is yet of the reopenings, either on the number of cases or on the economy. CBS News national correspondent Mark Strassmann reports from Atlanta. Mark?
Good morning, Margaret. Georgia is one of 48 states to reopen this weekend, every state but Massachusetts and Connecticut. There's no question that raises the viral risk, but every governor faces competing pressures. This weekend, a reopening America included beaches and parks. Whether it's smart, whether it's safe, is your judgment call. This Northern California restaurant defied a county order to shelter in place.
I've had it. So have all my customers. So is the state of California. Let's open up.
Crowded as it was, virtually no one wore a face mask.
All the people in there sitting next to each other. I mean, I don't know what they're thinking.
They're thinking the economy keeps taking casualties. 36 million workers filed for unemployment in the last 2 months. Since the crisis began, more than 100,000 small businesses have shuttered for good. They're also thinking in the last 2 weeks, America's new COVID cases have declined. But reopening renews worries about a resurgence.
How you act will determine what happens to you, literally.
Behavior is the wild card.
Just because everybody's doing it doesn't make it legal.
Like this scuffle in San Antonio. Store employees confronted a customer who refused to wear a face mask. Texas reported its highest one-day total of cases Saturday, with more businesses set to reopen tomorrow. Health experts still don't know how far the virus has spread. Only 3% of Americans have been tested. Those experts credit the drop in new cases to physical distancing, stay-at-home orders, and face masks. And they shudder, imagining a reopened America looking like this crowded park in San Francisco. Reopening safely takes discipline. This weekend will show whether people have it, whether they respect the viral threat by following all the safety rules, with Memorial Day weekend just ahead. Margaret?
Mark Strassmann.